Good morning. All right.
Is that the house right there?
We have to move her shit.
Who's that?
That's, I think, one of the movers.
Come through the railway.
There's too much of a thing for that big truck.
Good morning. Here inside this house. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Let's go. Hi. Ready? But it's Joe. I need the guys. Joe, I need you kind of to go behind, like we will go to let him know.
Go behind from.
Yeah, from behind me. Yeah, if you guys can. Ooh. Can you? Or shall we just start moving the stuff first?
Well, you have to get them in here.
Hmm?
We have to get all this so we can get to that point.
Okay.
Who's gonna address him?
Dawn will go first, and I will then start explaining. And I need you guys. Do you have? Does she have the key?
We can open the door. That's not big. We can open that bathroom. I
Okay.
don't have a key. Look at he broke his window. Oh my goodness.
But I know. Dawn, are you ready?
I'm waiting till we have a lot of the stuff moved in.
Oh,
so
you want
that-
to first
so that
move
it's
there?
towards the end, you know what
Okay.
I mean?
All right.
Right, Charlie, I don't
What do you want to do?
I don't want to do the meeting.
Well, just getting all this stuff out the way, I guess.
That's all right.
Does this go?
No, keep it.
That's it.
Okay, so maybe I will do. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. So let me give you a little update here. We have another squatter situation going on here in California. As you know, the legal system became really quite tyrannical for property owners, where we do not have really even lawful protection. And so we are dealing again with a situation where a tenant decided to squat, stop paying rent, being a nuisance to the property owner. Property owner asked him to move out, gave him the proper notices, terminated tenancy. And what the legal system does, it basically allows these people to just squat, to stay on the properties, not pay rent, cause damages, threaten other people, and is asking the property owners to go through legal process, basically to go in front of public servant to confirm that they do own the property, that people on their property are unlawfully. Then when they call the law enforcement to help them for trespassing, because when someone violates their lease agreement, their tenancy agreement, their rental agreement, they are there unlawfully and they are being asked to leave that property. This becomes a matter of trespass. Like, you know, when people would be arrested for trespassing at stores, grocery stores, or other stores for not wearing mask, and the store owners would say that Well, it's our policy, right? And then the law enforcement would be arresting people for that. Well, for trespass, right? Well, first of all, those stores are not private property when they are open to general public. In this situation, it's a private property, and it's not open to general public. So this is an absolute case of trespass. But what the legal system has done is, well, now these people establish residency here, and so it becomes completely different matter. No, it's not a different matter. So this is what happens, is that people are left without law enforcement. There's not even a code enforcement. And you know, for many property owners, for many landlords, this has become a tremendous burden where many people lost their properties. You know, they had to go through many months, many weeks legal process, $50,000 to $70,000 cost and expenses, hiring attorneys, and you know, we need to put stop to it. This is America. We are, you know, people have their unalienable rights to property, to defend their property, and we need to start bringing law and order back to our counties. Good morning. Hi Ed. I'm just doing live. Come in.
I was just watching you, but it took me to the other side.
Oh yeah, there is another entrance. But come in. Come with me. I'm just.
Where's parking?
Park in front of the gate. So we have more people joining. So anyway, this is absolutely lawful process what we are doing here. The tenant received proper notification, did not comply, was given actually 2 3-day notices that if he does not vacate the property, he will be evicted. And that's what's happening right now. So let me take you back in there and let's get the process started. Was the car
I think that he's making the car go off.
Oh, he does?
I don't know, can you do that, or?
No, I don't think you can do that.
It's just doing it because we're
because but it's kind of strange that it's doing it on its own.
Nobody's bumping it.
He has
Yeah.
no back window. What the hell's up with that?
I know, but you should. I think it's time to.
Well,
Yeah. So
there's so much more to move still. That's why I just didn't want to alert him too quickly.
okay, so maybe start moving the chairs
No,
and
none
stuff.
of all that can stay. It's
Okay.
just the stuff under the
All right.
lattice.
Okay.
And then it's all the stuff that's on that porch. Maybe it is time to start going. Okay, none of that stuff. That's all just the stuff that's under.
Barbecue or anything?
No. He can. You can come back and get anything he wants within 30 days.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna. We got the rest of the house inside. So I think maybe come with me and we'll go
Yeah.
do it.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. So I like to have the guys. So Joe, come. We will go to let him know that
We'll walk up.
yeah. Oops. Oh. That's the entrance there?
Daniel, it's Dawn. He's just probably not going to open. That's okay. We're going to take the door off. I don't know that I want to scream it through the door.
Can you open the door?
Yeah, we may
Yeah.
just open the door. Daniel, it's time to come out. It's relocation day.
You're going to start taking this out.
I feel like I should be doing something.
Dawn, what about all of the tiki torches and
No.
all that?
I'm going to take it off. Everything goes. Yes, everything's
Yeah.
So do you have key? Do you have key? Who has key?
I would have a key. It's not a key card.
Oh,
It's going to take the door off.
yeah.
The whole door.
You know what? Daniel. Hello.
It's relocation day.
Daniel, you need to come out. Oh, we need to walk in, guys. But you need to go first.
All right. Daniel. It's my place. I'm repossessing it, and you need to gather up your personal
Ed,
belongings.
can I have you here?
And we're moving you. So it's happening. You better get your personal belongings.
We need to walk in. Come on. Can you come right here, man? You need to.
He says the sheriff's coming. I'm sending in my lawyer.
Daniel, good morning. You need to come out, okay?
No, you
Gather-
get out right now. I
gather-
didn't invite you in.
Gather your
place.
position.
You're here without- you're violating. You're
You've been
trespassing.
informed.
No,
You've
I
been
have
provided
not. No, I have
3-day
not.
notices. Yes, you have.
Don't worry.
That
I've
if
got
you
all the notices
if
right
you
here.
do if you it was
You need
it
to
was
get out
said
right now. Please
it was
leave.
said very
Leave.
clearly
Leave.
that
Come on
if
in,
you do
guys.
not
Come on
leave,
in.
you will be relocated.
The
This is not
You
your
guys cannot
property.
just take my stuff. You gotta get
This
out.
doing it.
you are trespassing right now. Okay, you are
You
trespassing.
need to
so
get off
please
my
gather-
property. You're
gather-
violating my property. Get off.
Well, it's being moved, okay? So please gather your possessions. You are being relocated. Dawn is very kind to you. She has provided new location for you, a storage place. Okay, if you feel that you've been mistreated, you can take it through the court system, okay?
We want to start taking the chairs. Oh, there's
But
a sliding
today
glass
is
door.
a
Come in here and just do that.
no. This is you
Yeah,
are
we-
trespassing. You are trespassing. You are here unlawfully, and you need to gather your possessions, and you need to be relocated. Come on,
Your
guys.
stuff's
We need
being
to
relocated.
we need to
All
start
the
moving.
furniture in
Yeah.
here.
All the furniture.
There's a sliding glass door.
Hey, you're not touching
No,
my shit.
well, you were told to relocate
Time
it.
to go. It's time to
No.
go.
Yes, we are helping you.
Doing this.
We need to start moving the stuff. The movers need to come here.
Do that.
Let's get the movers here. I need to get the movers here. Ed, you stay here, please, okay? We need the movers to start
Yes, okay,
taking the stuff from the inside. Okay, guys, we need you to get inside and start
inside.
taking the bed and everything, okay? Thank you. Guys, we need you inside, okay, to start taking the furniture, bed, everything. Do you have boxes?
Boxes, yes.
Okay, yeah. It needs to happen really quick, okay?
I think we have boxes.
Yeah. Forget about the stuff here outside. We need to get the personal items, okay? The stuff inside.
Any of
No,
that.
we need stuff from the inside. Inside. This is, yeah, the inside stuff. Yeah, everything from the inside, please. Yeah, we need the boxes. Yeah, Joe, yeah, take that apart, please. Yeah, we can talk to them. Don't worry. Excuse me, why are you walking out?
Don't
No.
touch his shit.
Don't touch. Yeah.
No, you were hired by the owner, okay, of the
But
property
we are
owner.
not the police, we are not authorized to touch someone's project if he doesn't want to.
We need to start moving the stuff out.
How did it go in your
Well, we just got everything moved out from the inside. This is how it is. Daniel, this is
I have
the
people coming in my house, landlord, and just taking my stuff. They're moving my stuff everywhere. I already called the sheriff over here, but I need someone here now. There's like 15, 20 people filming me. They let themselves in. 1572
okay.
Cool Ridge.
Call 911 too.
Like 15, 20. She's gonna call you right now too. So I'm, like I said, they force their way in and start taking my stuff, and yeah, not good.
All right, deputies on the way. Thank you.
Please.
You were notified, Daniel, okay? You cannot be you cannot be
That's true. We got the
violating
sheriff,
property.
we got that, so yeah.
You cannot be violating property rights. You are here unlawfully. She has tried to work with you. She has a place for you, okay? So you are being taken care of, okay? And she has tried to talk to you as well,
You cannot
okay?
be in here.
Daniel,
You
this
cannot
is
get
not
in here.
this is not
Get
your
out of my
property.
pla- get
You
out.
are your tenancy has
Have
expired.
you know if you looked at the legal laws?
This is, you know,
Get out
this
of
is
my
America.
house.
This
Get
is
out of my house.
Stop yelling at me, okay? Stop
I've
yelling
asked
at
you
me.
nicely. I've asked you
This
nicely.
is not your house. You are trespassing
was
on a
renting.
private land. This is America. We
Yeah.
go by law. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land, okay? You are here unlawfully. Dawn has asked you to properly vacate the premises, okay? You have not done that. You received 2 notices. The last one was 4 days ago that if you do not move out, that you will be evicted. So you've been properly informed. I don't know why this is coming as a surprise to you. Do you think that you can be living for free, not paying, and just like thinking that this is okay? Do you have consciousness? Do you have consciousness? Who pays for your bills? You are a grown man. You need to be responsible for your life. Dawn is actually giving you a great favor, okay? She provided for a new place for you, and you need to get on your feet. You are a capable man. I know you have a good heart. Things happen in life. Listen, I've been, without a place myself, and I realized that I have to really start working and taking care of myself. And so this is the same thing happening here. There is nothing unlawful happening, but it's time for you to go, okay? And you need to start being a man of honor. How do you expect to be living in a place that you are not paying for? Can you answer that question to me, please? I'm asking you a question. How do you expect to be staying at a place that you are not paying for? Do you think that like a hotel would accommodate you like this, or another place? Can you answer that, please? I'm asking you kindly. I'm not your enemy. But we all have responsibilities in life. You have to be responsible for yourself. You are young, you are healthy, you are capable. You need to provide for your living. You need to be working, okay? And life will get better. But you cannot take advantage of other people
Yeah.
and their property.
Yeah, I'm not good right now. People are all in my house taking my stuff.
But we need to be moving that because otherwise we will not get him out of here.
Have you dealt with this in other churches? Do you know how he deals with this?
Well, they cannot do anything because it's because they are joined by the attorney, so it's a civil matter. So we need to get all the stuff out to basically get him out. So he has nothing left here. When he still has stuff left here, well, then he stays here. That's the thing.
Anything on the walls inside yours?
But we need to start taking this stuff. I need people. Let's get moving. Like the bed needs to go. The bed needs to go, guys.
The bed needs
The
to go.
bed needs
Can
to
you take
go.
the bed? I'll help you with it.
Yeah, please. Don't get the bed. We need bed out so he cannot stay here.
Relocating it.
The reload, you can't do this. I'm right here.
I don't know.
I called and I said my lawyer was with me.
Yeah, good.
They said somebody's in
Yeah, but it's got to be by a judge. Right? It's got to be an unlawful detainer or something. So they didn't go to the court. I've got Legal Aid Society as my attorney. I've got an attorney, and all those notices have been invalid. They're not valid. I understand, but this can't happen. You can't have people. I mean, people are taking my bed out. They're taking all my stuff
We're
out.
relocating you.
You are being relocated, Daniel.
You're trespassing.
You are trespassing right now, and you have a new place. It's being provided for
It's
you.
illegal. You can't take someone's stuff and
No, it's very lawful. It's very lawful. This is America. We are governed by the Constitution, the supreme law of the land.
This is crazy. This is absolutely illegal. Yeah. they're moving my stuff, not their stuff.
Your stuff is unlawfully on someone else's property. You are trespassing.
They don't, though. They don't have a legal eviction. All my stuff's gonna be gone.
You've been providing a
No,
notice.
it's not okay, man. They need some help here.
You've been provided notice, Daniel,
I know.
that the owner is exempt from the codes.
That's fine. I just need you guys, someone to get here. This is ridiculous. This is.
You can take her to court. You can take her to court. You can sue Dawn. But right now you are being relocated. So please pack your personal items. Listen, we are not trying to hurt you, okay? Everyone is working to help you out, to get you back on track, okay? So please collaborate. Get your personal items, get your computer, gather your files, and then you can take it through the rules of civil procedure. You can go in front of judge. You can tell them that you haven't been paying your rent, that you've been just living here, and let's see what the judge says. Let's see what the judge says, but do not push this onto Dawn, who has been more than kind to you, the property owner. You have to be responsible for your actions and for your life, Daniel. And I know sometimes things happen in life and they are not convenient, but everything will work out. But it's time that you start taking responsibility. You have to be working and you have to be providing for yourself. Look at you. You are young. You are a great man. Okay? It's time you need to get back on your feet and you will be helped. We are not just throwing you on a street. Dawn is spending a great amount of money, effort, and resources to relocate you so you can get back on your feet. But it's time to go. She hired movers. They will help you to pack up the stuff, but you need to collect your items. Okay?
Get out.
You are trespassing. I am here lawfully, okay?
See this, people?
Daniel, you need to pack up your stuff. You
do.
are here unlawfully. I am here lawfully. You are here unlawfully. This is a trespass. Trespass is, even in the statutory jurisdiction, it's California Penal Code 6020. When you are unlawfully on a private property and you are being asked by the property owner to leave, you must leave. This is a trespass charge, Daniel. This is a criminal action. You have to leave. Why is it so difficult? Please gather your personal items, okay, so you don't lose any files, okay? We have a helpers here. She is paying for everything, okay? You are not paying for it. The owner is paying for it. And you need to collaborate. Why is it? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Your tenancy agreement has expired. You've been provided the notices. And it's time to go. You were told that you will be evicted if you do not, comply. You are being relocated. So gather your personal items. The helpers will help you, the movers. They have boxes and everything. So, and it's happening, today is the day. Okay, I need in the bedroom the stuff, okay, please. Forget this stuff outside. This stuff needs to go all out.
This right here.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Yeah, careful.
Is there a cord hanging?
No, there is nothing. Yeah, it was just...
Lincoln.
Yep. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So everything is lawful. We just need we need the office and everything needs to go.
Like,
What's that?
No,
I don't know.
nothing's gotta go.
it's your personal
Okay,
stuff.
are you getting your stuff? We need to move his personal stuff. He's no,
No,
Daniel.
You get out.
No,
You get out. Daniel.
Daniel, come on, come. Daniel, you are coming out.
Up here.
Daniel, you are coming out. Okay, guys, we need the stuff up.
Get out of the fucking house!
Are you going
You
to?
hear me? Step away!
This is not your.
Get the fuck out!
This is not your house.
No shit, I'm right
Guys, this is why
No,
we need.
you're not. You're an unlawful detainer. You're in here illegally. You're in here illegally.
out!
This is why we need this.
You're in here illegally.
Unlawful.
He's gonna get violent.
Yeah.
To help you.
Okay, so we need the deputies here. We need law enforcement.
Taking my shit, you fucking
You are being
We're helping
you are
you.
being
Okay.
you are being relocated. We've said it very clearly. Daniel,
out!
Daniel,
Help you.
Daniel, don't break stuff, please. Okay, we need law enforcement here.
I'm shutting you, keeping you out!
This is why, guys, we need the personal stuff to be out so he cannot. He
Get
doesn't have
out
anything.
of here! Get
Yeah.
out! Get out!
Hired to do this.
I don't give a shit what you're doing. You're doing it illegally.
Well, you're not paying anything. You're getting it all for free.
As we said, then you can
This is
take.
illegal. Get
That
out!
you can then take it
Get
through the
out.
legal system. You
Get
can
out.
get it in front of a judge. You will have your hearing time, okay? So your time will come. Please collect your personal items,
No.
okay? You need to. You are being
Get
relocated.
outta here.
Daniel, you are being relocated. Okay? Your personal items are here unlawfully.
out of here.
You and your personal items are trespassing, okay? Please collect your items. We are asking you kindly. We are here helping you. Everything is being paid for, okay?
Get out!
You are not being left with the charges, so please collect your items.
Get out of
No, I am not leaving.
here! Yes, you are
No,
leaving.
I am not leaving. Daniel, please.
Get out of here.
We are here to help you.
Get the fuck
We
out!
are here to help you.
Get
You
out
need
of
you
here.
need to understand.
You are not welcome
that
here.
you are not welcome here. You are here unlawfully. You've been told. We've kindly asked you to please leave, okay? To get your stuff. Collect your files, collect your personal items. We don't want you to misplace anything. If you need someone to help you with that, we have the helpers here. They are all hired professional movers, and they are here to help you. No one is here to hurt you, but you need to collaborate. Yes? Yeah?
It's the officer. We haven't get chin cake.
No. But someone needs to stay inside here with him. My gosh, where's that car? And are they outside?
He's on the phone.
They won't come.
Can you go inside?
I suggest you gather up your personal stuff, Daniel.
What else has to come out?
This whole thing? Well, I don't know what it is.
This has to come out.
I guess so. I don't know what that. Oh, that's my bed, I bet. Yeah, leave that.
Leave it?
Yeah. Maybe all
these
this
clothes?
stuff right here. Yeah, the clothes. Yeah. I suggest you gather your personal stuff. Your
Excuse me, Don.
yep. I don't want to stay in there with him by myself. Bill, we could put the clothes in here?
This stuff?
No, the clothes maybe?
Oh, okay. That would help if people would come up and get this stuff off the deck.
You're an angel.
Is there a lid for this?
What?
Yeah. You want to put the lid on it?
Sure.
Okay. It helps that you're right there. It keeps them at bay.
Okay, okay. You know, Daniel, if you put half the amount of energy into just finding work as you do into suing everybody, you might just not be in this situation. But believe it or not, this is giving you a chance to take responsibility for your own life. It's time you did that. You can't live off of the system and live off of suing people. You got that? Because that's what you've made your life for the past 9 months, is suing people and living off the system. It's time you changed it. I'm giving you an opportunity.
They're on the way. The sheriff is on the way.
Okay.
Okay? So Daniel, can I help you with anything here? I'm here to help you, okay? And we have people to help you too, all right? And listen, I know that sometimes life gets tough, okay? And things happen. But we are here to help you, okay? Trust me on that. I came to this country with nothing, okay? And I built myself too. And we can help you, all right? We have plenty of job opportunities, okay? We will help you to get back on your feet, okay? Look at me.
Get out of here.
The deputies are
Get outta
coming.
here.
Sheriff is coming.
out.
Come on.
Get out of here.
Come on, man.
Get out of here.
Stop
You
it.
should leave right now.
I'm here to help
you don't have the right paperwork. You can't do what you're doing.
Yes, we do.
No,
yes,
you
we
don't.
do. Yes, we do.
No,
this
you
is
don't.
a trespass. So let me
Get
know.
out of this house.
This house is not your house.
Get out.
You are
Get
trespassing.
out of this house. Get out of the house.
Stop it.
Please.
Stop
I'm
it.
asking you to leave nicely. Get out.
The deputies are
It would be a
coming.
good idea to assault her.
I would never assault a woman.
Well, I just
The-
noticed that you bumped into her.
No, I just fucking.
Okay, all right,
put the
yeah.
phone up
Yeah,
there.
I
Okay.
just noticed it.
No,
Yeah.
you didn't notice anything. You didn't see that. Just
Listen,
stop touching my stuff.
I know
You understand? You are doing
your
this
stuff.
illegally.
Your staff is trespassing, okay, including you. This is why we are asking you to pack up your things. The deputies are on the way, okay?
No shit, I
then
called them.
You can
I called them, ma'am.
you can then
Please.
take it
Excuse me,
through the
ma'am.
rules
Can
of
you leave?
civil procedure.
Can you leave my place? Can you leave?
I am here lawfully, okay? I was actually
you leave?
requested. I was requested by the property owner to be here,
Can you
okay?
leave?
To help
Can
you,
leave?
all right?
Can you leave?
We cannot leave until you pack up your stuff,
No,
okay?
you need to get out of here.
Daniel, you are moving
we know
today.
that you are doing this illegally, so just admit it.
We are doing this 100%
You have
lawfully.
no paperwork
We are
from the
doing
court.
this.
Where's the summons? Where's the unlawful
You
detainer?
take it. You
Where
take
is
it
he?
through the court. You
Where's-
take it through the court.
Where's the unlawful detainer?
The property owner explained to you that this property is a private land in America, governed by the Constitution, the supreme law of the land, that supersedes any lesser codes, statutes, and ordinances, okay? You've been informed. You've received that notice. And if you look through the landlord-tenant codes, it will tell you very clearly that those two codes actually protect her, okay, and you. So she informed you that this land is exempt. And you are trespassing right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to focus on this stuff.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's see.
No, they did not. They didn't.
Do we have maybe boxes?
All my stuff's gonna be outside. I don't even know where they're taking it. Man.
You have a hotel, okay? You have
Yeah.
a storage. Everything is being provided for
Can
you.
you tell them to stop? Can you
You are being relocated.
tell them to stop right now? I got you on speakerphone. tell them that legal.
Yeah, they are coming. I talked to them.
You have to tell them to stop moving my stuff, please. It's illegal. Till you get here, tell them to stop moving my stuff, please.
I already did. Everyone just relax.
You already did?
We're there in about 5 minutes. Everyone just stop moving around and we'll be there.
No, stop moving my stuff. Please, can you tell them that until you've seen the proper paperwork?
Daniel, you are being relocated.
This is not fun for me. You understand? Of course I'm going to be a little worked up. I apologize. I'm not trying to be, I'm not trying to get out of hand here, but this is ridiculous. And
I understand your frustration, but we're about 5 minutes away, so everyone just relax. We'll be there shortly. We can hear everyone's story when we get there.
Thank you.
All right.
In the meantime, do you need a box? Do you need something, I can help you with?
No.
Daniel,
There's nothing you can help me with.
we are
Just get
here.
out.
We are here to help you, okay?
Just get out.
Listen, you are here unlawfully.
Just get out.
You are trespassing. We are relocating you. Everything is being arranged for you. Okay.
You need to leave.
So unless you want all the people pack your stuff, it will happen.
Just leave.
I am here lawfully. I was actually requested to be here.
I
Okay.
don't care if you were requested
You've
to
been
be here. You're not allowed to be in here.
you've been asked to move. Okay. You are
have been asked to get
trespassing.
out of my
You are
place.
trespassing at this point. You've been repeatedly told that. Please get your stuff. Okay, then we can deal with it. Through the courts. You
outta
will
here.
get your justice if you feel that you've been treated unlawfully. Don't worry. Okay, this is.
Get out.
I have to stay. I was requested to be here by the lawful owner. Okay. So pack up your stuff. We don't want you to be any to get lost or misplaced,
Or anybody who's not busy. Hey, Don.
Get out.
I was requested to be here,
You were
okay?
requested to get out of here. Is what you've been done.
I've been
You've been
requested
to get out of here.
by whom? Are you the property owner?
3 months to leave here.
Exactly.
It's time to go, Daniel. You
We
were
need
trespassing.
just bring boxes.
No, you
And-
don't touch my shit.
Your
Then
stuff.
You touch it. You move it. I'm paying
Yeah.
for
You
everything.
know what? You should fucking give me some
No.
time here. So get the
Yeah,
fuck
okay.
out.
Okay.
To get a job.
Okay. Just
Get
bring
out of here.
Let's get him the boxes, okay? Please bring boxes, okay? Just bring the boxes, okay? It will be all good, okay? So put your files. Do you want me to help you with the?
Get the fuck out of here. Do you hear me?
I am here.
Hey,
I was
you're
here
not allowed in
requested to
here.
be here lawfully. Daniel, please.
No, you can leave the
Oh my god.
Yeah, just shove it in.
Fucking in the officer. That's not very happy. That's not good. Just get out. If this makes you happy, yeah. I'll pack some things, but I'm not going anywhere.
Don't tell me that you've been doing landscaping. We need a lot of
Stop
landscaping to be done. We can.
Yeah, you're a
we
real smart ass, aren't you?
No,
Yeah,
I'm trying.
great.
I'm trying to assist you.
No, you get
Okay,
out. You
but we need
get
to be people of honor. Okay, we need to take care of our living. We need to provide for ourselves. Don't think that these people are against you. They are not. Okay. There is help for you, Daniel. Okay. And I know that you are a good man. Just things happen to you, okay? And now we will get it fixed. That's all. Don't look at it as a bad experience, okay? How long did you think that you will be just living here for free? What did you think that would happen? This is not honest way of living, okay? So we are helping you. And we have big community. We need people who have skills. If you know landscaping, we need people like you. Okay? But you need to start working. It's good for us to be working, and you will feel much better about yourself and everything. But we have to contribute to the society. so we can take care of our life and our affairs. That's all. You know, this will help you to get back on your feet, and you know, everything will be good. Okay? It's just we have to go through the motions, and the sheriff deputy is here right now to make sure that everything is done in a peaceful way. And yeah, please stop the car. Thank you. Yes? Okay. Just help him with the office. Good morning.
Hello. Hi. Let me talk to Daniel. Are you done?
Okay, yeah, he's inside, yeah. Okay, yeah. It will be better that, yeah, he's packing his office. Thank you, officers, for coming. Yeah, thank you, good morning. Yeah.
All right, do me a favor. All the moving, just wait 1 second.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Yeah.
Go back over there. Go back.
No, he's being relocated, so it's being relocated.
Do me a favor, sir.
I'll slide.
Do me a favor. Move
Let me
it
just
back.
slide it down.
You're putting it on my foot.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to do
Move it back over there. Appreciate it. Just so we can get some space to walk in and out.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, Dan, can I talk to you for a second? Yeah.
That's a little awkward for me to set it.
No worries. I get it. That's a two-man job, maybe.
Yeah, or one gun.
Okay, let me talk to him. We'll come talk to you guys after.
Okay, all right.
Alright. Let me talk to you first.
What's that?
You let me know what to say. They're going to ask for the eviction papers.
Well, do you have your folder?
Yes, but
Okay.
because the notices are coming.
No. My gosh, I could use some water. Yeah, guys, just keep putting the personal stuff inside. Yeah, but you guys should have put first the personal, stuff like the clothes, the office, the bed. So everything gets. Yeah, guys, everything is good. Okay, you are good. Okay, don't worry. All right, I got you covered from the law perspective. All right, so don't worry. You are not doing anything wrong. Okay. You don't have the exempt notice printed out?
I have it on my phone.
Okay. Yeah, because that would be good to, have it. Can you guys maybe hold this, and I will go to get some water at the
What
house.
am I
Okay,
just?
so I will bring some.
And me too.
Well, okay, well then come with, because I cannot do anything here.
They're willing to move you out. Are you willing to do that?
No, I'm not going anywhere today. This was my lease.
This is the lease agreement? From this location? Hold on a second.
What did he say about this payment?
This is what she gave you?
Well, that's our lease, but that's understanding basically the notice.
Is this the lease that she gave you when you guys signed up?
Yeah.
Where's your name on this? Did you just say Moses or? Can you show me some dollars?
stand by with my partner for a second? We don't want you guys to get one. You guys go in and out the house.
I know.
Stay out here. Fine. Stay out here. You know what I'm saying? No. Okay. All right. Sit down.
Okay.
Are you done?
No, I'm not. I'll find her for you though. John!
There's a lot of noises going on.
I know. God, I can't eavesdrop. Dawn! Oh,
You want to grab her and just bring her over here?
yeah. Where's Dawn?
Yeah, she's coming.
Okay.
You have it still on?
Yeah, I have it on.
All right, thank you. Here's water if you want. Okay, so she's coming and
Okay, if you want to talk.
yeah. Do you have the folder? Where's your pink purple folder?
I left it in the house.
Okay. Yeah.
Grab whatever documents, if you have whatever documents you guys said there was an eviction notice. Yeah, that is perfect. You guys can get that for us.
I've given him a 30-day. I've given him 2 3-day notices. I've asked him several times to leave. He's doing major drugs down here. I can't even have a full conversation with him. He talks in circles. He thinks I owe him money. No. And I'll go get the dog.
Yeah. So, what she also provided him is a notice, a legal notice, that this land is exempt from the legal jurisdiction, from the rules of civil procedure. This is a land. This is a private land, which is secured under the land patent. Okay, and this is private property. So she provided a notice there with actually the 2 specific statutory codes. It's 1947 and 1946, where basically the property owner is not a real estate investment property, is not corporation or LLC, are exempt from this landlord-tenant procedures, where she, as a private property owner, would have to go in front of a judge, a public servant, to confirm that this is her private property and that this man is here unlawfully. This man is trespassing right here. Okay, even under your own codes, which is the California Penal Code 6020, okay, when a private property owner asks someone that they are here unlawfully to vacate and to leave, they have to leave, okay? And this is why we called actually your sheriff's department on Friday. What was the deputy's name? Buckley? Buckley came here, okay? He tried to inform Daniel that he needs to leave. He would not even open the door. Okay, so he's being relocated. It's very simple.
This was the last 2 days notice to quit. I'm sorry that's not signed, but the original is signed, and the one he got on the door is signed.
So these are the same ones that I saw from
Probably
him.
so.
Okay.
And then there was another 3-day notice I did at the beginning of December.
Do you have anything from the courts?
I just explained to you, officer. This is a private American land, which is an exempt from the rules of civil procedure. If Daniel feels that he has been treated unlawfully, he can take it through the rules of civil procedure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what would you guys think that's going to happen today? You guys.
Okay,
So we just.
I don't care if he came out. I have a nice storage room for him.
Yes.
I paid for the storage. He can put it in his name today. I don't want his stuff. I'm not taking his stuff. So it's all stored, everything. I've rented him a room for a couple of nights.
Yeah.
This guy is a professional squatter. I'm not going to do this.
I understand you like 100%. I hear your frustration. I understand everything you're saying. Okay. Unfortunately, there's not much we can do. I cannot force him out.
Right, and that's fine.
This is the thing is we cannot do that. Okay.
Officer,
This is
officer.
not- let me
Yeah.
say-
Okay, sure.
I did understand, and I
Yeah.
understand what you guys are claiming. All these things.
That's the
but
law.
From my knowledge, I'm not going to evict him out.
No, we are not asking you to. We are not asking you
You're
to.
asking me to arrest him for 602.
No.
What you said. That's what you said.
Well, technically, he's trespassing.
Problems here. I'm
But
gonna
we
have to
know-
do something.
And this is like you said, he's a professional squatter, so you understand how our hands are tied.
Absolutely.
So it's tough for us because I do see your situation. Yeah, I do understand. This is not our first time we've done this, and this is not the last time we're going to deal with this. Sometimes, unfortunately, the laws in California are, a little bit ridiculous sometimes, in my opinion.
Well, we try to get laws.
No, okay. Let me bring this into perspective. Okay, officer, you took an oath of office. Is that correct?
What's your reasoning? What's your point?
No, there is a reason for that.
Go ahead.
Because in order for you to wear this uniform, you are required to take an oath of office. Sorry, the sun is in my eye, okay? Yeah, okay? So, and there is a reason for it. You have to take an oath of office because you have to uphold and defend the Constitution. Why is that? Because the Constitution is the supreme law of the land. Why? Because it secures unalienable rights of Americans. She has a right to this property. She lawfully owns this property. This property is an American land that's secured under land patent. This is why we had American Revolution, okay? So people can actually own property. This is not owned by the state. Okay,
ma'am,
let me just finish. Okay, one more thing. So the reason you took an oath of office is when you get caught on, by the property owner that we have a situation, that we have a trespassing situation. Now it's up to you to uphold your oath of office in performance of your duties as the law enforcement. Okay, and you even have a code that tells you, the California Penal Code 6020, that if there is someone unlawfully on a property and the property owner calls you, you need to assist them. Do you know, like when these stores would be calling on people when they are?
Let me explain something.
Yeah.
I do agree with you.
Yeah.
Okay. There are penal codes.
Perfect.
I do
Thank you.
understand that.
Thank you.
But unfortunately, this does not line up to that.
According to
He
whom?
has a lawful reason to be here.
Show me the law.
Okay. He has a contract, right?
No,
You guys have a lease.
that's expired.
Let me explain. Okay. This is my point. Okay? I'm not going to go back and forth. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to go on
But I
tangents
don't have
with
a
you.
contract. I have no
I
agreement with
understand.
him
But
anymore.
what I'm trying to explain is if someone has a reason to be here, which he was renting here, okay, I saw the contract, he was renting month to month, and he stopped paying, correct? Okay. That's the process where you need to get him evicted. Once he gets evicted, and he gets approved,
That's not correct. That's not correct, officer.
that's what we have to. There's no
But that's incorrect. That's incorrect. He does not have any contract
not subject to the courts. I don't get it.
because she is not U.S. citizen.
American national. And I
She's
go by law of the
American
land,
state
and
national.
Those courts are the maritime law. They're out of my
It's
jurisdiction.
a statutory
I
jurisdiction.
have no idea.
I know,
most
we
people
know.
don't, but it's the
I'm
truth.
telling you right now, but from what I do know, I cannot evict him. I really
No,
really
okay. So, officer,
Okay.
yes.
What would you guys cannot remove his stuff?
Oh
out of the-
no,
fine.
he is trespassing. He's being relocated. He's trespassing. So what we
And I've relocated. I'm not
okay,
taking
okay.
this stuff.
So we will make it very simple,
I'm not going to
officer.
remove him from this
That's
spot.
okay.
No, we don't.
He's
Yeah.
gonna stay here. If you guys want to move his stuff, he has a civil. He can
That's
sue you.
right.
Exactly,
That's right.
exactly.
Okay.
Right.
What I'm
So
telling
thank you very much for your help.
No,
That's
no,
about all
no,
you can
what
do,
I'm telling
right?
you is, well, he's not happy. That's
I'm not
That's-
happy either, and I own the place.
I understand it, and I completely agree
I'm
with
being
what you're saying.
violated, and you're not helping me.
I completely understand how you feel. Okay, I understand. You're renting this part out, and he's not paying the rent.
It's
I
my
understand that.
constitutional right to not have my property violated. It's being violated.
He's
I couldn't
trespassing.
see
paying the
because
rent.
nobody.
He would not.
No,
violate.
he's
He would not-
drugged out.
Okay.
He's not making
If
sense.
he was paying his rent, we wouldn't have been here. We would not be here.
I
She
don't
actually
know.
she
I
has
don't know,
she
but
has the right to actually
one thing leads to the other.
terminate the
I
contract
have two
anytime.
notices. One is for not paying rent, and one is for nuisance.
But that was your own.
Well,
not
it
through the courts.
escalated.
But not through the courts. It wasn't through an eviction process. Correct?
Officer,
I
she
don't go
doesn't
through
need to go in front of a public servant to confirm that she owns this property. She is a lawful owner of the property. So what we will do today, let me just finish. What we will do
What's the
today,
end goal?
okay,
Let me
the
ask
end
you.
goal
The end
is
I
he's
thank
being
you for
relocated.
coming. I thank you for
Yeah.
coming, and we'll just have to take care of it by ourselves.
Yeah, and then he can
Don't worry,
He's
I
gonna be
won't.
satisfied, but
Well,
when
too
he
bad.
calls us here, we
His
have to come in.
satisfaction shouldn't be priority.
I understand, but unfortunately, we cannot pick sides. Us.
Okay,
Us,
so-
I cannot pick sides.
Right.
He
Okay.
has rights and you have rights.
Okay.
no,
Okay,
no, he
that's
does
what-
not
that's
have
what-
right
On my property.
on this property.
Listen, if I'm going to speak, let me speak.
Sure,
okay?
absolutely.
If you guys are going to keep speaking over me, we can't get anywhere.
Right,
Does
we
that
just
make sense?
we just want a resolution, okay? Because we need to get this completed
want your
today.
resolution?
Okay, all
That's
you
not- sometimes we don't always
No, I'm
get
not
No,
asking
okay.
you to do anything.
Officer.
I'm not.
He called us here, man.
right? Okay,
He called
well,
us.
okay, we can
We're
call.
removing his stuff.
Okay, shall we
He's
call
here-
our
he's
own
here-
agents?
He's here unlawfully.
You have your own agents to call?
Yeah, 911, sheriff's department. So we will have to have
who's gonna
our
come? This is me.
colleagues, your colleagues. Okay, so they come on our side, and he called you. So what? All we okay, officer.
Ma'am, I
What's
think-
your name? Petrus. Okay, Officer
we're going
Petrus.
this way.
Right. All we are asking you today, just uphold and defend the Constitution that you took an oath of office today.
Okay, we're
and that's
going in
all.
circles.
Okay,
Let me go
what would
talk to
you,
you.
what would
Let me
you
talk
like
to
to
you.
do today? What's
Okay.
your answer to this?
You guys cannot remove his property from there. This is a civil
I'm
issue.
relocating it.
We are relocating.
It doesn't belong here.
You guys cannot do that, okay?
So
That's
what
just
are you
like
going to
saying-
do? Arrest me?
This is what I'm telling you. It's
Your
a
own
civil-
property.
it's a civil- Look, I don't want to go and arrest anybody. I'm trying to solve this problem.
Yeah, so you just keep the peace. You
Please.
keep the
putting
peace
it
today.
back. If you think I'm
Okay.
putting it back, I'm not.
Okay.
Okay.
That's perfectly fine. That's up to you. He's gonna have his own rights and he's gonna have his own documentation.
Very good.
I understand you want me to remove him or whatever you guys want to do. We can't do that.
I understand.
Once
Right.
it goes through the court process and eviction process,
Okay.
that's a different story.
Okay.
If it's signed by the judge and the eviction says he's
Okay.
not here, he cannot be here, we have teeth behind that.
I really
okay?
understand your position.
You
Thank
guys-
you for coming.
No worries. But I'm not done. I have to go back and listen to him.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
But he has no lawful rights here,
Do you
sir.
have his information? Do you have like a scanned driver's
yes.
license when he came over here?
Yes, I can go get
Yeah,
that.
if you could,
Okay, all
I
right.
appreciate
Okay.
it. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, see,
The only reason
Okay,
I'm asking
leave
is so we
me
can-
the folder
yeah,
here.
see if there's any warrants or anything. Okay. What?
Do you want to?
And I have the information for the.
do that and that'll help.
All right. Do you want to hold this? Or do
Yeah,
you
sure, I will hold this.
I'll take it with me if you don't need it.
This is why we need to get all the stuff out, okay? Because you see, these guys are not.
So what's he has to leave sooner or later. So
course.
what's is she prepared to change the locks?
Yeah, that's what needs to happen. This is why we needed all the stuff from inside on the truck, not the stuff outside, from the inside. So and then to be relocated to a hotel.
Hey, have you explained to him 18 USC 241 and 242?
Well, I think we need to. Let's do that, yeah, because they are clueless. You can tell they are not even following their own codes of trespass.
Well, you need to put him on notice. He's not going to change his mind, but if he's on notice, you have teeth to go after him.
Oh yeah. Oh gosh. Well,
My name's Rebecca Neighbor. How are you? Very interesting.
I'm Ed.
Oh, how do you do, Ed? Nice to
I'm
meet you.
from Riverside.
Oh, and
Temecula.
you put her patent together, correct?
Who?
Dawn's?
no.
No,
Yeah.
I've done it before, but I didn't do hers.
But he's my partner. He's part of the same group.
Nice. Thought you knew what you knew.
I've been doing it for a little while.
Oh, good.
I don't know everything, but I do a lot of study.
We gotta figure out something. Well, I got buddies that'll come out and help me move it. Put it back in the driveway. Something, man. You gotta help me with that. I'll put myself in. It's not like I wasn't gonna go anywhere. I'm not sitting here trying to move shit. But there's a process that has to go. And I need to find a place. I'm trying, man. But they're giving you a place to go. I still know. I'm not going anywhere though right now. I can't force you to do it. I understand. Yeah, I understand. I'm not forcing you to do it. Okay? What I'm trying to do. You might identify my land. But you have to just put me somewhere as well. I got another.
Just waiting for my phone. That's all I can do. It's somewhere. Feeling. It's probably.
I'm gonna wait for the. Do you have ID on you? Just wait. I think you might have one. Do you know your ID number? Do you have your social security number? Say it again. Is she come? Where's she at?
She's getting the paper from the house. And officer, I know that it's tough, but we really need to stop upholding the supreme law of the land. That's very critical, right? This is why I was asking, that's what law enforcement stands for, right? And I know it's kind of, you guys are not educated on it, and there is a reason for it, but we need to really stop this insanity. Because think about it, right? She owns this property, she pays for all the expenses, right? And this man will be living here for free and causing a nuisance and threatening her.
This is not our first time dealing with this.
No, it doesn't matter how many times, okay?
And I understand the frustration you have to.
I'm sorry, I thought it happened because we heard from a friend and I didn't get it. I got the contract, but I didn't get it now.
No. Okay. Let me see if I can get the.
Just,
I don't know.
officer, just help him.
Let me tell you something. We're in a position now where we cannot remove this stuff from the property.
I'm not asking you.
No. You guys cannot take it. He doesn't want you guys to take it.
Well,
This is what I can do.
No, well,
This is
This
something
is
that
violating my rights.
I understand that, okay? But I'm telling you something. We don't want to get down a path where someone's going to be arrested for something that can be avoided. Something like this, we cannot do. It's illegal. We cannot go into things and take out his property just because we want him out. I understand yet the law of the land. I get that. But let me tell you something. I'm trying to be very cordial with everybody.
I know, I'm not
okay?
blaming you.
We cannot do that, okay? I'm going to give you guys an opportunity. You don't have to put it all the way back. You can just put it on the front of the yard.
no, that's not happening.
Well, can I talk to you by yourself? Because this is not helping.
Well, she's helping me.
I understand.
I am her assistant of counsel.
Anything to her, but if I'm gonna talk, let me talk. Okay? I don't need anything to butt in. Okay? This has to come down. The property has to come down. We cannot remove the property. We can't change the locks. We can't do that. It's unfortunate, and I totally understand. This is not the first time we've dealt with this. We can't change the locks and say, hey, you're here, let me change the locks on the back and outside. We can't do that. It's something that we hate to deal with. Okay? We have to enforce something that is unfair
So you've
to you.
informed me about that.
Correct.
Okay, I fully understand. Okay? What else would you like from me?
Just remove it from
No, officer, you took an oath of office, and I have to remind you to uphold and defend the Constitution. If you perjure your oath right now, today, here.
Let me tell you something. What's going to happen?
I understand what you mean.
No, officer, let me finish. No, let me finish. If you perjure your oath right now, this morning on Sunday, at what time is it? You officially surrender your office and your duties. You have to put your uniform down, okay? No. Get your supervisor here. Call your supervisor right now. We need a supervisor.
Let me tell you what's going to happen. He wants to press charges on you, okay? He didn't inform me yet, but he says, hey, I do want to press charges if they take my stuff. That's something that we're going to have to do.
What kind of charges? What kind of charges?
Okay.
What kind of charges,
This is what you
officer?
want. If you want the supervisor, I will call him
Yes,
here
please.
and he
Okay,
can relay the
excellent.
information to you, okay?
Right, okay, excellent.
Give me 1 second.
And I know you're a nice man, okay? But when you put this uniform on, you have duty. And right now you are even violating Title 18, USC 241 and 242. That's conspiracy of deprivation of right.
Your guys' stand on this.
Well, then act on it. Act on it, officer.
To pay, but we cannot
No,
do this.
he is trespassing.
Give me 1 second.
Thank you. Nothing is coming down. This needs to
What's
go.
going to happen here? I mean, in the end, he's
No,
about to
no,
say what is going to happen.
no.
So,
He
Facto. They don't
totally. They don't understand, and they need to understand, and they need to talk to him, get him, collaborate, and then he can take it through the court. Okay, that's the proper. So, okay, this is what you need to do. You need to tell them, because you are the owner, okay, that they need to help Daniel to collaborate, to be relocated today, okay? So this remains in a peaceful manner because they are peacekeepers, okay?
yeah, he's
And
breaking
then Daniel can take you through the rules of civil procedure through the court, okay? That's what you request them to do, that they keep the peace, Daniel peacefully leaves, okay, and then we can take it through the courts. That's just what needs to happen today. Nothing is coming down of the truck.
not quite, but almost.
So we essentially just drive away and park it at the Hotel 6. No, you've got to straight.
I don't know. So we get the
No, we are getting supervisor here.
oh, they are.
Because these officers are perjuring their oath. If
She's
they,
done this before, and she gets the supervisor, and then they're one step up to understanding what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy has no idea.
No, but this is their training. This is done on purpose. This is done on purpose by the legal system, by the attorneys, by the district attorneys, okay, to bamboozle everyone. So the state basically create these insane statutes and codes where property owners have no rights.
Okay, so I called my supervisor. He's gonna come out. He knows a brief summary. He's
Perfect.
Ask you the same questions that we asked.
Yeah.
But like I said, it's very unfortunate. I really wish we can.
The rules.
No,
the
no,
laws
no, it's
don't
very simple.
protect me.
Okay.
And I pay property taxes. I'm being violated. I'm going to protect
She
myself
pays
then.
for you. She pays for you.
100%, I hear what you're saying.
I know.
And I'm not saying, you know, we're not here to take sides. But unfortunately.
But you are taking his side because he's on
That's
my
how
property.
you feel, and
Well-
I understand that. Okay, I understand that's how you feel. But if you see the bigger picture, I'm not here to take sides. Unfortunately, in some people's eyes, it's unfortunate that he has some certain rights as well. In California, even if you said he's a
But I
professional,
go by the Supreme.
even if he's a professional squatter, unfortunately, sometimes in California, those rights are we have to.
No, you don't. The only thing you have to do is uphold your oath, and that's all. The moment, officer,
Supersedes everything.
Officer-
California.
Hey, my sergeant will come over
Okay.
here.
Perfect.
He'll explain it to you guys. But it's something that we just want to avoid all this.
Okay.
If you go through the eviction process, you might have a very strong
That's
case.
why I came. I might. There you go. I might have a strong case. I'm not going to go
in-
to
in the-
I'm not the judge. I can't determine who's gonna. That's
Okay.
what I'm telling you. The judge, you have
Officer,
to
okay, so
show the judge all this, and I'm pretty
let's-
sure,
let's-
it's not
okay.
paying. There's a court
3
process.
months later, while he just
If you-
Some
causes
people
havoc.
haven't paid for years.
oh
Well,
yeah.
I don't want to hear that because that's what
I-
makes me know I'm doing the right thing.
Okay.
And I'm telling you, sometimes it's unfortunate they paid for 7 months in the entire house, not just the section.
I know.
This is
That's
why
I'm taking a
the
stand.
officer-
I understand that because it needs to change.
I
It
hear,
needs to
I
change.
hear
so-
it, but this is I'm telling
officer-
you for information. I understand what you're doing, okay, but unfortunately, it's not the right stand to take, okay, because you can be liable. That's the reason why.
Let him take me to court.
Yeah.
But the difference is you can be there can be charges filed. That's what I'm trying.
Like
to
what
get to.
charges?
Who's
If he's saying that you're taking his property from his house, okay, you're stealing his property.
No, that's not right.
Okay.
His
in his
property.
name,
Uh,
in a
one
safe-
one person at a time.
So we can go into his property and move all his stuff out of his house.
His property is trespassing on her property, so he has no rights. Officer, let me explain this to you how it works, okay?
You need to explain it to my sergeant because I've heard enough, and you're saying
Excellent.
You're the law of the land. I get it. Okay, but
That's the supreme law of the land. This is why you took an oath of office. Have you read the Constitution?
the California.
I ask you a question.
Landlord-tenant law.
Have
not
you read?
supersede the US
Have you read the Constitution, officer?
Let him come over here, and then you guys can talk.
Officer,
Ma'am.
did you take a? Did you read the Constitution?
Because we're going in circles. Me and you are just going.
Yeah, because you are perjuring your oath on a record right now.
Okay.
All right. You have now no lawful authority to wear this uniform.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
I mean, you. Could
You need
just
to go
walk
to your
away.
supervisor and tell
You know,
them.
I really wish I
Could.
could. I really wish we could just leave and that we weren't here. But unfortunately, we got called here.
Okay.
Something
So
that we have
But
to
you're
do.
taking the tenant's side,
Okay,
and he's
this-
here
I
unlawfully.
hear you, but I can't argue that. If you feel that way, I'm not going to change your mind.
Well, you
officer, what needs to
I
happen?
apologize if you feel
Okay.
that way. I'm
Can,
not here to take sides.
okay. Can I take your side for a moment?
I'm going to
Okay.
go talk to him.
He doesn't like to hear what I have to say.
When's the sheriff coming?
The supervisor is coming. This is
And meanwhile, I'm paying this whole crew to stand there, and what are they going to do?
right now. Don't worry about
I
that.
know.
Okay. This is the yes.
Yeah,
This
well, I have a
is.
3-hour minimum, so it's,
Yeah.
They still got a little time left, but not. I'm not going to pay
They
them
need
to
to.
put it back
What
there.
they
I'm
need
not.
to do. They need to talk to Daniel that he peacefully leaves, and then we take it through the rules of civil procedure.
What has to happen?
Like what do you want to do with
He
this?
just doesn't understand. He doesn't know. He's probably heard it all before. He
Right.
doesn't believe it.
So essentially, can you turn off his water? Can you turn off his electricity?
No, he needs to be relocated today, and that's what needs to happen. And they have to really assist with that, you know. And you guys can see that Constitution means absolutely nothing. That we are communist country here. Can you hold the phone for me, and I will go to get water. Do you want some water?
Yeah, please.
So they got professional squatters and they can't do anything about it. Well, I mean, that's the way it is.
How do you become a professional squatter?
You just don't pay the rent and you work around the court system.
Just like he's doing.
Just keep delaying.
Yeah.
Especially if they have kids. If they have kids, it can go on for years.
It's not a good idea. Landlord, actually. I'm a landlord, so I know.
I wish we could have moved this before they got here.
I know.
You know, I was trying to do that. That's why I was trying to.
So he called them, right?
He called them. Yeah.
Okay. So we had.
Have you done your passport or have you papered up or anything?
Paper.
But just through Anna's process. Just through Anna's process.
I've recorded it.
They can just.
But you've just done Anna's process, right? You haven't done the passport or okay.
No, you can't. I'm not supposed to.
I'm sorry. I mean, it's just, I've been here 30 years. I've paid property taxes for 30 years. I'm just trying to keep the peace, and he's not cohesive with it.
I get your frustration, honestly. This is every time we come out to something like this, it's you guys are taking the loss. You know? Unfortunately, that's the big risk of renting, and especially in California. Is that it seems like sometimes it seems like the tenants have more rights than the homeowners.
Right. Not sometimes. It's,
Yeah. And like I said,
that's why we want to stand up for it, because this is happening too much, and it's not fair.
I get it, but this is not the way to stand up.
It's for me.
There could be criminal actions. That's what I'm telling
Like
you.
what?
You can't remove his property.
I'm not. I'm putting it in his name in another place. Why doesn't he just agree? I offered him. Listen to this. Last month, I offered.
You're doing way more than anyone else has ever done. Okay, I'm just letting you know, and I let him know the same thing. You're doing way more. He doesn't want to go.
Which will be helpful in the court system.
Yeah.
That we're doing. way more.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
You offered him a place. You've offered him to store it for
And
him.
pay it for a month.
Yeah.
And I offered him $1,500 last month if you just did it.
Yeah.
If you just,
That's usually what people do. Sometimes they'll say, "Hey,
he
we
said
can't
that's
just get out
not
of here."
enough. That's what I'm dealing with.
I understand. I'm telling you, I get both sides, but it's something that we can't. Trust me, it's something that I hate. This is the one I hate enforcing.
We're all miserable here.
Quick question. Do you understand the two different jurisdictions here that
No,
we're
I
dealing
don't.
with?
See, that's
So you're
fascinating.
only
You don't
dealing
even
with
Let Ed
statutory
talk.
Jurisdiction.
So you guys are saying the law of the land doesn't apply to you guys, even though she signed she has a rental agreement with this tenant.
That has expired.
No, the law of the land is
I
what
get
we
that
follow.
that it expired, but in California, if you're renting here, let me tell you some of the laws in California. If he's staying here, if you have someone staying with you for about a month, okay, 2 months, let's just say, and he starts putting his starts getting mail, bills coming here. Now he has standing in the house. So now you have to go through the eviction process to get him out of the house. That's how California is.
That's how it would normally work, but she's under a land patent, which is different. Now,
I don't have. Do you have any documents that are saying
It's
that you
coming
guys-
it's all almost.
And that's what I'm telling you. Let that come, drop it off, and then once that paperwork comes in, if you guys say it's so strong that we will read it and we can understand it, that's different. But we can't go off of, hey, we don't abide by your guys' laws or whatever it is. If you guys just let me explain how we can solve all of this. He's not going to leave today. We can't force him. There's no eviction. We can't do anything about that. The problem that can solve this is that we drop this property off. He said he's willing to put it back himself. You just need to put it down and go through whatever process you guys feel is necessary. But as of right now, we cannot do anything.
Okay, officer, okay, thank you for explaining this, okay, but we have to bring it back
Ma'am,
to...
I think you're representing her, but if she's the one that's going to be liable, okay, so you're the one that has to think for yourself for a second, because if she's going to speak for you, she's not going to be the one that's going to get charged.
I understand
okay?
that. I
And I'm
just
trying
feel
to
she's
help you.
right.
And I'm trying to help you because we cannot remove him today. That's not going to.
We are not asking you.
And if you move his property, that's going to become an issue.
So how
okay,
does that
no,
become
let me talk now. We are not asking you to do anything, okay? Because we know that you've been miseducated. It's been done on a purpose. But let me keep reminding you that there is a reason why you took the oath of office. Because this is America and we go by law. And let me finish.
you reminded me.
Officer,
You don't need to keep
no,
reminding
no,
me.
I do.
Okay.
The Constitution, obviously you have not read it, so let me refresh your memory. Constitution Article 6, Section 2 clearly states that the Constitution is the supreme law of the land. anything that's lesser or repugnant to the Constitution is null and void. Let me finish.
Set on taking this property?
That's correct.
I want to know what you're saying to me happens if we argue back and forth. Are you going to keep the peace? What happens?
Yes, we need just you to keep the peace. We need you to keep the peace.
When you leave, we're going to scream at each other. Okay, what's going to, that's the result of all this.
Okay, so.
And then what? There's nothing we can do about screaming. We can't do anything about that.
Okay.
What you could do for something like that is if you want to get a civil
restraining
harassment order, something like
a
that.
restraining order. That's what the last sheriff said to do. Yeah. Get a restraining order.
And if we, all of us are telling you the same thing, it's probably something that you need to get done. I know it's very unfortunate you have to go through the process, and it takes a long time.
No, what's unfortunate is that you are perjuring your oath of office. She pays you, and you are perjuring your.
All I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get this resolved, and you keep repeating the same stuff.
And you keep perjuring your oath. So okay, this is how we resolve it. You help Daniel. You help Daniel to understand that he's trespassing. Okay, she's not going to press charges for the trespassing. Okay, she arranged for a place for him to live, for a storage. It's all done in an amicable, friendly way. Hold on, let me finish. It pays for everything. Okay.
I'm trying to.
So that will be the peaceful way.
We don't know, but unfortunately, the laws in California.
Stop referring. The Constitution, even the California Constitution, supersedes any of these codes and statutes. She even provided him. Can you please get the notice he received that this property is exempt from the statutory codes?
I have to go print it out.
Go
it on my phone.
Go to print it out.
But that's not the. I'm telling you, the eviction process is going to solve it. What we'll do is we'll do this.
This is relocation.
Like we're not getting anywhere.
No, we are.
Right.
So help him.
I want to help him. In the end, are you guys ever going to leave? I mean, how long do you want to stay here?
Okay.
Exactly.
So what are you waiting for to leave?
You guys wanted to speak to my sergeant.
Yes,
that's right. Yes.
When he comes here, let's say we go through the whole rigmarole.
Leave. He does not want his property to be stolen.
He's trespassing. He's a trespasser officer. So
I discussed that with you already. It's not trespassing.
No, it is trespassing. Yes, he's here unlawfully. He has no agreement.
So if I go down tomorrow morning and I get a restraining order against him because I do not feel safe with him on my property.
Let me tell you something. If you go get a restraining order and the judge grants the restraining order, there will be an immediate move-out order.
Daniel, do you hear that? Because I'm going to file a restraining order tomorrow morning, first thing. Do you want to work with me or not?
And that's a way. If the judge grants an immediate move-out order, we can come and move.
All right, that's the next step, Daniel. So I suggest you cooperate.
So why don't we go to talk to him, officer?
Right. So let me tell you something. If you're going to do that, you can avoid all this, but just dropping his property and then we're leaving. If you drop his property, he puts it
No, it's not happening. I'm sorry, that's not happening.
I'm hesitant to do that.
No, that's not happening.
What we have now is we can't leave because he needs his property back. That's the only reason why.
His property is here unlawfully. His property is trespassing on this property, officer.
Let her speak.
I'm trying to get around it just to get
No,
to leave.
but you know what you are doing? No, officer, what you are doing? You are perjuring your oath of office.
Well, we'll wait for the.
You are not even enforcing the California Penal Code 6020 of trespassing. We did not press the trespassing charges, but when we do, you need to perform. And no, officer, did you take an oath of office too? Okay, so today what you need to do? Okay, no, let me explain to you. You work for us. You are a public servant. And you need to uphold and defend the Constitution. Stop shaking the head. This is the truth. If you are perjuring your oath of office today, you have no lawful authority to wear this gear. You are a traitor. You are warring against the Constitution, we the people, and this republic. Let me be very clear, okay? This is why I want the surgeon here. And I know... Okay, and I know, guys, I know you are a good man, okay? You've been mistrained, miseducated, but there is a reason you took an oath of office, okay? I don't want to hurt you today, but we will have to go after you. I mean, no, if you are perjuring your oath, we will have to pursue that, okay? That's what I meant. Sorry, okay? Do I listen? I am peace-loving woman. Okay, so let me just clarify that. Okay, and all we need is to keep the peace today. We are relocating Daniel. We have a beautiful place for him, a place for to store his items, and it will be done in peaceful way. He is going anyway, one way or the other. It's a matter of time. Okay, so could you please explain it to him? I tried to explain to him. Thank you.
So you're upholding statutes and codes instead of the Constitution. That's our problem.
And I understand you guys feel strongly about this. We're in a position that we have to get his property back. That's the only reason why we're still here. Once his property gets back here, we're on our way. And
so
if you get a restraining order, and
I
it
gotta
gets
pay
granted,
for the moving truck to come back and move him again?
probably. No.
This is America. Let's please not go into this communist regime.
He will get.
This is unreal.
Like an hour or so together, whatever, and then he has to move out. And then by that time, you guys can figure out your civil actions after. Does that make sense?
No, officer, no. Civil.
You get a temporary restraining order and immediate move out order. He's gonna have to move out right then.
But what happens to his stuff? Let me go back to Florida.
You know what he is doing? You know what he is doing right now? He is stripping you of your constitutionally secured rights, okay? And he is dragging you into the rules of civil procedure as a U.S. citizen. You are not U.S. citizen. She is not creation of the state.
I'm trying to be reasonable.
No, officer.
I'm not trying to be argumentative. I'm not
No.
trying to go in circles. I understand you guys
But
feel
I
very
have a
strongly
problem
about
with
this.
traitors.
Okay. That's your belief, and there's nothing I'm going to do.
So uphold the Constitution. That's all I'm asking you. Uphold the Constitution that gives her the right to life, liberty, and property. It's very simple, officer. You've been bamboozled. You've been bamboozled. Do you realize it?
Everybody has. We have.
Do you realize it?
You know.
Listen, you are my brother, okay? When you put the uniform down, don't take it personally. But you have, I know, you are a good man. You know, we are in good. But you have a duty, serious duty.
I understand, ma'am. Do you think I want to be here right now? I don't. Unfortunately,
Okay, so no, but don't do a job of traitor, officer.
And like I said, that's your belief. I'm not going to
No,
go back
that's
and
the law.
introduce this conversation.
That's the law.
All right, ma'am. We're going nowhere with this.
This is frustrating. I came from communism. This is what's happening here. From Czechoslovakia. Okay, I came here for
Here now than when she left there.
officer, and we need you guys. We need you guys to uphold the supreme
We
law.
want our police force. We
Put
want-
yourself-
But your hands are tied behind your
behind
back.
you guys too.
Put
That's
yourself,
something that I
put
do.
yourself in her shoes. You own a property. You rent the property to someone else.
Ma'am, do you think this hasn't happened to me?
Has it?
Okay, this is very
No,
common.
to you personally.
Yes, this is very common. Okay.
No, did it happen to you personally?
Yes.
Okay.
But there's eviction process you go through.
Well, obviously you don't know your rights.
It doesn't work for the landlord, though. It doesn't work.
My
And
gosh,
that's
people.
why the
This is
state,
so
when you rent,
simple. Why do we have to
state you go
complicate
to,
it?
They have more rights for the homeowner, more rights for the tenant. Sometimes in California, they have more rights for the
Oh,
tenant. Do I
sometimes.
agree with it? No.
Jeez. Guys, now you see what's happening. This is really unreal. So we are waiting for a sergeant, for the supervisor, because these two officers are totally perjuring their oath of office. They are warring against the Constitution, with the people, the Republic, and this is what we have, okay? This is what we are dealing with, and you guys need to start standing up and defending your rights. Because what the officers are basically doing, they are stripping the owner of her constitutionally secured rights and dragging her through the rules of civil procedure, basically, that she needs to go in front of a judge, a public servant, to confirm that she owns this property, that this man, the tenant, the former tenant, has been squatting, has been violating the tenancy agreement, not being paying, and that he's trespassing, and she needs to wait months, weeks, spend money, her time. So a public servant to confirm that, that she has her right to the property. This man is here unlawfully, and we need to put stop to this.
not everybody's answer. That's what I said. Give me 1 second. No, he got flat down. Someone else waved him down, coming on San Pasquale. So he's backing around.
Nobody still can talk any sense into this guy.
It doesn't work that way. You can do anything you want. We're set on it. There's nothing we can do. I'm trying to explain it to you guys. You guys understand my side. We don't want to be here just like you guys don't want us to. Okay.
Daniel, you want to collaborate?
Property down and we're on our way. I'm telling you, if you guys start putting his property down, we'll wait until the property goes down and then we'll be on our way.
No, officer, this is not happening. I'm sorry.
You understand our side? Okay.
She mentioned USC 241 and 242. Have you read it? Do you know what it is?
I don't have to read that. It's you. We cannot take his property.
No, you do.
No, I didn't. I don't know off the top of my head.
241 and 242 is deprivation of rights, color of law, and
Conspiracy of deprivation of.
two deputies here. It's conspiracy now to deprive her of her rights under the color of law. Statutes and codes are color of law. They're not
You guys
law.
have all your rights to do whatever you guys want to do. If you guys feel that we treated you guys fairly or whatever, you guys have all your rights to file a complaint. Do whatever. I completely agree with your guys' rights to file a complaint.
Complain with the cartel.
We don't file complaints.
No, we don't file.
But what I'm trying to get at is, with that information, is what your guys is, these codes you guys are putting out. Where are we gonna get with this? I'm trying to tell you.
I'm just trying to make sure you understand that you've deprived her of her rights under color of law.
I understand you feel that way, but what?
It's not how
No,
I feel.
no, it's the fact.
That's the laws that you're talking about.
It's a
that
fact.
You haven't read. So since you've deprived her of her rights under color of the law, now you become responsible.
Okay.
In your personal capacity, officer. This is why we actually want your supervisor here, because because we don't want to hold you responsible for it, because you've been obviously mistrained, miseducated on a purpose. Okay, this is why I keep going back to the circle of the Constitution. This is the reason you took an oath, but
If you want to, I think that if you get the grant, if the judge grants that, I think that's the best route for you, the fastest route.
I appreciate that advice.
Okay. So we'll just wait. We'll sit tight and we'll wait.
right. But you guys, tonight when you get home, okay, and you take this uniform down, you really think about it, okay? What I've been telling you today.
I will.
All right.
There's also what's called a Constitutional Sheriff's Handbook. It's about 50 pages long. You should read it.
Okay.
Okay. Because we have a duty and we depend on you. Because right now, we don't have law enforcement.
You guys want to counsel and think about it with this property? Because all he wants is to take the property down. He's willing to put it away.
No.
Does he realize I'm going to file a restraining order tomorrow morning?
Daniel, do you realize this? Daniel, can you come over here?
Yeah, come down.
Do this. If you're okay with just me, you, and Daniel to talk, you can hear everything? Okay,
So,
he can hear.
But record it. Go. Oh.
No, they can hear it.
Okay, so I want to know, do you want me to go through the restraining order process tomorrow morning?
I want you to put my stuff back where we're right out here.
Well, you're going to be without your stuff tomorrow if I file a restraining
That's
order.
not the question.
That's what I want.
That's, well, I want a lot of things too.
Let's just follow the law right now and let's get my stuff off that
Like
truck.
you
Yeah,
Back
yeah,
in
you're a
the driveway.
trespasser.
If I have to leave tomorrow, then I'll leave tomorrow. Okay? But until that's up to the judge. So legally, I want my stuff put
No,
back
you'll
to where
have
it's supposed
to
to go,
leave
but
tomorrow.
that's not what I really want, because I just take it just half off the truck right there. Put it all right there in the driveway. Please.
If I think that's gonna be the best route. I'm telling you, it's gonna be the quickest and the easiest route. If you need a counsel and do it, but just understand.
Judge makes the
Okay,
call,
I'm trying
and
to.
I'll move out.
No, you know what you are doing to her? You are stripping her on her unalienable rights that are secured to her under the Constitution. And we have it on a record, officer. This is horrific day for America. You are a traitor.
I want to know what you think his supervisor will.
This is why we are getting his supervisor.
He's coming. He should be here anyway.
So that's all. I want to exhaust this. I just want to exhaust it. I want to see where it's going in the end.
Yeah, I think.
No, yeah.
Just stay there. You're good.
You want me to go get
No,
it?
I'll go talk to him.
Don't squeeze his car because you're gonna have to retain it.
Sure.
If at worst, shouldn't he have to pull his stuff off the truck? Not the movers.
That's why I'm not leaning. I was thinking, no, I haven't.
Let me talk to you.
This is unreal.
You got a bun polish.
So now we are getting the supervisor here. So let's see if the supervisor plans to uphold his oath of office today, or if he's going to be also a traitor and perjure his oath, even violate their own color of law, Title 18 USC 241 and 242. That's under their own statutory jurisdiction, that an officer who took an oath of office and is depriving American of their constitutionally secured rights, it's a crime. It's the Title 18 USC 242. If it's more than one officer, it's Title 18 USC 241. That's conspiracy of deprivation of rights. We are dealing with some serious stuff here, guys. These officers do not know, obviously, their duties. They've been mistrained, miseducated, and there they come.
Wants to know if
I've offered him money last month, and he won't take the money. He says it's not enough. I've done everything to relocate him. That's all I wanted to do is put his name on the storage. I don't want his stuff. I'm not trying to take it. And I have a room for him to stay in. He's doing massive drugs in there. I do not feel safe on my own property. I'm going to have to file a restraining order tomorrow morning and get him off anyway. And I'm just hoping we can kind of find a way to do it.
the problem, like he's probably already explained to you, is that there's so many laws in California protecting him as a tenant. So
I know that.
Looking at that. So, but tomorrow the court is open, right? Today's Sunday. Tomorrow's Monday.
I've hired the truck that's been sitting here for 2 hours that they won't
Right.
remove.
So, unfortunately, you need to do this through the court.
And I do want
my
Let me
yeah.
finish. You do this through the courts because it's a landlord-tenant issue, right? It's a civil issue. Until you go and violate that and take someone's property.
He's violating my property.
Right, I understand that, but it's an argument that happens in the courts with a judge.
Well, let him
deciding
take me.
who's right.
Let him take me to court.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
But however, to get him actually evicted is a process that you need to go through the courts. We can't show up here as deputy sheriffs and say, "Oh, we believe you're in the right and you're out." You can't do that. You understand that?
Okay, may I? I'm her assistant of counsel. My name is Lenka. And Officer Burst, what's your position with the Sheriff's Department, please?
Sergeant.
Sergeant, okay. Did you take an oath of office in performance of your duties? Yes or no?
I did.
Okay.
Is that relevant? Or?
Yeah, it's very relevant. What does it say? That you have to uphold and defend the Constitution. Is that true?
That's true.
Okay. Why is it Constitution?
So we have the Constitution of the United States. We
Of
have the laws
America.
California.
No. Okay, but let's take it back. Okay, before we get into that,
But
let me talk, and then you talk.
State of California.
But
Okay,
nothing
okay.
supersedes the U.S.
Okay, the reason officer, no, okay, no, I need to, no, okay, but I need to explain it to you. No, officer, I have to explain it to you as well, okay? Because we hire you, right? The reason is you take an oath of office is because that secures her unalienable rights. Under the Fifth Amendment is the right to life, liberty, and property, right? So she has a right to this property. This property is a private American land that's secured under land patent. The state doesn't own this property, okay? So whatever state, the statutes, codes, and ordinances they create to protect a trespasser are null and void because the Constitution is the supreme law of the land under Article 6, Section 2, all right? And this is why you took an oath of office. So,
Can I talk to you?
yeah,
just want to
okay.
get the rest of the stuff.
So the reason we called you here, we actually called you here on Friday. We had a nice deputy here. He went to knock on Daniel's door to have him pack up his stuff and start moving. He's not doing it, okay? And so today what we are asking you is that you uphold your oath of office. That's all we are asking you, okay? And that we keep peace. As Dawn explained, she arranged for a new place for him. She's paying for everything. So it's in a peaceful manner. He's being relocated. If he has a problem, that she in any way possible trespassed on his rights or did something unlawful, even though he has been living here without paying, causing nuisance, threatening her, he can take her to the court in front of judge, okay, and she will gladly come to answer. So for you today, if you do not wish to perjure your oath of office, no, I'm not finished, officer. If you do not want to perjure your oath of office, okay, we have it on a record. Please, let's just keep the peace. We help Daniel. She would get him out anyway. But let's help Daniel today to understand that he's trespasser at this moment, okay? Get him secure, and then we take it through the court. We really need you to start. No, we need you to start upholding your oath of office. That's your all, officer. I'm asking you today, okay?
A good solution if you could just talk to him.
Yes.
He's going to be pulled out here on a restraining order tomorrow.
Anyway.
Do you understand where we're coming from?
I understand.
Where we're coming from.
You have an oath of office from your oath of office.
Have you dealt with this before?
Yes.
Have you evicted someone?
Yes, I have.
Through the courts?
No. Because we are not U.S. citizens. We are not subject of the state. We are Americans. And our rights are secured under the Constitution that you took an oath of office. Officer, it's very simple. No, so you need to...
We all agree, okay? We're not here to take sides. But unfortunately, the tenants have rights. Okay?
No.
Yes, ma'am, just give me 1 second.
Yes.
We already went through this. We wanted the sergeant here just to repeat the same thing that I told you, okay? And now we're at a point where
wanted to see if you
have to make a
understood
decision.
the Constitution better.
I understand the Constitution, and I'm here.
Yes.
Explain it to me.
Right.
And I'm not going to go against what the deputy already told you. He's correct.
Okay, so
What
just...
you said is correct.
Okay.
You understand?
No, I do not understand. I do not understand. No, I don't understand. You took an oath of office to the Constitution.
What was your name?
My name is Lenka.
Lenka. I understand you keep repeating it, but we have to get to a solution.
You are not getting it.
Okay, done. you understand that you kind of have to take your stuff down.
No.
Both agree you're going to go get the restraining order. We're going in circles. You're going to pull it down, but she's telling you not to. There comes a point where we have to make a decision.
I understand that.
If you guys are going to refuse to take his property down, you guys are removing his property illegally. You understand?
We are doing it. There is a...
So let me ask you this. If I were to remove his property illegally and place it somewhere else in his name, are you going to come arrest me?
We're not going to take you to jail, but there can be a crime report.
But you're going to file it? You're going to file the...
If he wants prosecution, then yes, we have to. That's what I'm telling you, man.
Okay.
You can talk for you, but your name's going to be the defendant. You're going to be the suspect.
No.
So I'm trying to let you understand. She can speak all she wants, but you're the one that's going to show up to court to defend yourself.
Well, I really shouldn't have to, but okay.
And that's what we get at, okay? So he's here. Let's get
Okay.
it going. And the
So you guys have a civil contract, right? He signed a contract.
No.
Staying in the.
Yes, he showed me the contract.
No, it's not a civil contract. It's actually higher.
It's an agreement, right?
It's an agreement that expired.
So even if you had no agreement, if you broke in here and he stayed here and established residency, he has rights.
Yeah, she
But I don't. I'm the
Wow.
It's
Wow.
unfortunate.
I'll fight that till the
No.
day I die.
As you very well can.
Done.
I'm just telling you that California has written these laws
And
in their
screw it
Congress
up.
in California.
And you know it as well as I do.
Okay, but you need to go to the courthouse and deal with it.
No.
We don't have to agree
You
with
are
all the
actually...
laws, but unfortunately,
Ye all...
Feel for you. I know.
All...
let's go because
All you have to... All...
let them talk to your counsel.
No. You are perjuring your oath, and now we have it on a record. Okay. Do you understand that, officer?
I understand what you're saying, yes.
This is a crime because now we are warring against the Constitution with the people and the Republic. Do you realize it?
Do you live here on property?
I'm sorry?
Do you live with her on the property?
No. I'm her assistant of counsel. Okay, and I'm a property owner as well, and we are just protecting property rights.
Okay, are you a lawyer? Do you go to law school?
I do constitutional law. Okay, I'm not attorney. I'm not licensed attorney. Okay, there's a difference. Okay, I don't subscribe to their private bar club. Okay. And I know, officer, you've been so miseducated by the attorneys. Okay, you guys are bamboozled. I know that you are processing all this information and that your consciousness is speaking to you. Okay. We need your support. We need to just enforce the law. And even according to your codes, how about the California Penal Code 6020? Private property, someone is there unlawfully, It's trespass. Why don't we remove him on trespass charges?
Not trespass.
Okay.
Doesn't qualify because he's a tenant.
No, he's not. He's no longer a tenant. He violated his tenancy rights. Okay? Actually, they are not even rights, they are privileges. Officer, it's very simple. Let's clarify this mind cloudiness, okay? Someone owns a property. You invite the person to come to the property, right? And you give them privileges that they can live there according to the contract. You pay, you do this and that. When they violate that contract, they are no longer welcome on the property. So they lost their privileges, right? So now they are trespassing. It's very simple.
There's certain time frames. There's certain time frames for the courts, right? You understand that?
Now, officer,
Yes, there are time frames where, yes, he violated the agreement, right?
yes.
So now you're going to evict him.
No, we are
You have to give
relocating
a certain
him.
amount of time
He's trespassing.
to be relocated.
You are going by
On his own.
by
You
the.
don't go in and take his stuff and say you are now relocated and you're out of here.
No, you do.
The court's approval to do that first.
No. Why would a property owner who hasn't done anything wrong? Okay, there is no. She didn't commit any
A
crime.
lot of
Okay.
other property owners would love to do exactly what
Oh
you're
yeah, and we are teaching them
They would
how
love to
to.
do that.
Yes, and they need to. What is legal is what we are doing is lawful. Okay, and you need to start learning the differences. Okay. This is completely unlawful, but according to your legal, society,
Who are other people that are here?
they are here to help. Listen,
Are they-
all we have to do, Daniel.
Are they also tenants or no? That you're advising her.
She's not a person. She's American. There is a difference. Okay.
I don't know what you call her, your client.
She's an American, and I'm helping her to defend her rights to property.
Is she paying you for your services?
Oh, that's not the subject of discussion.
Okay.
All
I'm
I
just
want,
curious. It doesn't
and
matter.
listen, I know you are cool. Okay, I really like you. Okay, I know that you see what I'm telling you. Listen, we are lawful, we are peaceful, we are trying to help Daniel to get on his way. I even offered, listen, we have community, we will help him to get back into his landscaping activities so he can make a living. He hasn't been working for 9 months, he just thinks that he can squat here.
Have you had to kick out squatters before?
Yes,
How did that work out?
it worked out, perfect. I got them out.
How long did it take?
A few days. Okay, and I told
Did you end up having to report?
no, and I told and
That's the ideal thing to happen.
yes, yeah,
However, we see squatters that it takes months. to
I
get
know,
them,
I know,
And the person and the property owner is down, and during COVID,
I know,
you
I
can't- there's an
know.
eviction moratorium, right?
Oh, think about that. Think about that. This is communism. It's communist takeover of the land, officer. So,
Right, but I'm
just
not here
go.
to,
Listen.
comment on
No, I know. So, what I will ask
We're here
you.
to keep the peace, like you
Right, exactly. Go to talk to Daniel that it's happening.
said. My partner's up there. talking
Perfect.
right now.
Okay, because when you come as the authority, okay, he will start seeing that. Okay, so let's keep the peace. That way we get him nicely relocated. Then we go through the court if he needs to. Okay, and everyone will be happy. Okay, that's all.
How long has Daniel lived here? You know?
I think like a year or something. Yeah. And listen, I am going to defend you. If we've been working with Sheriff Gore, okay? He knows my name, all right? Okay? And all I'm trying to actually protect you and your duty as law enforcement, that you are upholding and defending the Constitution. I know that you want to do the right thing, because if you didn't, we would have to pursue this. And I don't want to do that, okay? So please help us. I know that you are really awesome, man. Be our hero, okay? We can do this.
What was your name?
Lenka.
Lenka.
Lenka. All right, we got a deal. Let's do it.
They're already up there talking.
Perfect. But you are the supervisor, you know, so you kind of like help it, you know.
Not really. I usually let the deputies do.
Okay,
their
cool.
job.
And they are awesome too, you
The
know.
only
Like
reason I'm here is my deputies asked me.
I know. We asked them to call you.
You understand our position?
Yes, you and
Yeah.
thousands of other property owners.
Yeah.
No. I mean, not.
Your position as far as the Constitution?
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, what you have to think about is, think about the founding fathers, right? They gave their jobs, their families, everything for our freedom and our rights. That's all. Think about them, right? And this is why I came here to America. I can tell you about communism, where the government dictates everything about your life and you basically are their servant. This is America. So what we are doing here is really something so important.
Am I on Facebook? What am I on right now?
Yeah.
Instagram.
On everything. On everything.
16 people are watching it.
Man,
And it will go viral because it will be
I'm
uploaded.
going to be famous.
You are, because you are our hero.
Very good.
We shake the hands. Okay.
We're good. I'm out of here.
Yeah, we'll stand by for a little bit.
Okay.
So he's going?
What's that?
He's going?
Yeah, we made arrangements with Don.
No. I mean, we need Daniel to go. Yeah?
Okay.
He's
Don
going?
made a decision.
What kind of decision?
Her decision. She decided.
Bye. Can I have your card, sir? I need your card.
My deputies have my info arrangement and they have a card for you.
And a badge ID number?
Yeah.
But you don't have a card? You do. A card? Yeah, business card. You guys have cards. Yeah, thank you. But officer, I think that they just bamboozled my property owner into the legal process. This is not cool. Do you own a property? Do you have a house? So this is what we are defending. Thank you so much. All right. Well, thank you. See you next time. Have a great Sunday. Ay, ay, ay.
So at some point in the last 100 years, they gave up. They started doing warranty
Okay.
deeds.
Dawn. No, okay, this is why they bamboozled you. They bamboozled you.
So where are we going with this stuff?
Well, I will tell you what we will do. So, officer, I talked to your supervisor and we shook hands that you are going to talk to him and peacefully have him to be relocated. We shook hands on it. What are you doing now? What's going on now? So have Daniel to peacefully come out. No, this is not happening, Dawn. We shook hands on it. Call him. Get him back. We shook hands on it. Yes. See?
They didn't.
No, we did.
Okay.
We did.
Who saw it?
With the supervisor office.
Can you still
Yes.
recording?
Well, this is live. It will be uploaded.
Okay.
Go to talk to him. No,
That's not what
stop it.
happened, ma'am.
Stop.
She's just trying to delay.
No,
Like I said,
no, not at all.
Where are we going with this stuff?
Because I will tell you. Okay, I will tell you what will happen. if you don't, we wanted.
Ma'am, I'm done going in a
No.
circle with you.
Yeah, yeah,
know
you.
what
No,
needs to get done,
no.
and then go
D-
from there.
You are bamboozling her. You are bamboozling her into the legal system where you are stripping her of her constitutionally secured rights. I shook hands with your supervisor that you will. This is exactly what he said. I will have the deputies to have Daniel collaborate that he's being relocated today. Okay,
Is that one of your guys' cars, or are they trying to go by?
officer? And you are not doing the job. You need to get.
He can take off.
Okay, no. Okay, you need to call him, to bring him back because this is what he told me. While you guys were bamboozling the property owner.
Ma'am, we already discussed with the supervisor. I already discussed.
Okay, so I will tell you what will happen. We need your information,
I will give you that. I
okay?
will give you that.
Because you perjured your oath of office, okay? You will be held personally liable because she doesn't work for free either. You trespass,
And I'll give you my
you trespass on her rights, okay? You personally did that.
I'm being forced to do this because they're threatening to arrest me. I mean,
You threatened her to arrest her on what charges?
If you guys need to go
On
through
what-
any, civil actions, or if you guys want to
No,
sue,
that
you have
believe
all
me,
the
that would be much better than that.
Your-
You threatened her with what?
feel like we've
What did he threaten you with?
Well, if I don't unload this stuff, I'm going to go to jail. He's going to arrest
On
me.
what charges?
He'll call again. Is what
On what charges would you be arresting
I
her?
have a crime report.
Okay.
On what charges?
I'm not gonna. We've been here for over.
Please call your supervisor back and tell him and ask. Please stop.
Could you pause? For
Pause.
A second? Just
Ma'am,
pause.
Don,
No,
we're gonna go through this again. I'm telling you.
you bamboozled her.
Delay this.
He's bamboozling
For over
you.
an hour. Ma'am, too many people are talking in her ear.
Well, the
Let-
thing
you
is,
make the
it's
decision,
my
so I-
record. I'm going to
Correct.
be the one that, you know.
So you make
He
the
is
decision,
threatening
file it,
you.
file it,
He's
or
threatening
not.
you.
So we're not gonna keep delaying this. I've been trying to be
We
very
have it.
patient.
We have it on video. That's
Right.
all we can
Perfectly
say.
fine. You guys have everything on video. It's all
Okay,
recorded.
right
You guys
now.
need to sue us,
Okay,
file a-
I will
Fi-
file the
fi-
restraining.
Okay.
Call your supervisor right now.
No, that's the quickest route.
Officer Petrus,
it's your route.
Officer Petrus, call your supervisor right now and confirm with him what we shook hands on.
Ma'am,
Can you do that though? Can you get him on the phone? And just
ma'am,
say,
it's already confirmed.
Do we-
with me. I already talked to him. Okay.
what did
We
No.
have radios. We already have conversations. Everything.
Oh, so he lied to me then.
Okay.
He lied to me.
That's perfectly fine.
So Officer, what's his name? What's his name?
And I totally agree, and that's why I don't want to add any more to her plate.
So
And I agree that there's a lot on her
Officer
plate already, and I don't wanna add
Alexander
to it. So,
Bruce lied
I'm
to
trying
me
to help as much as possible.
that
Okay,
he's
this is-
going
we've been here a
to
very long time.
peacefully assist with the process with the
All these people in your ear is not helping you. You're the one that's going to be up standing in front of the judge. Okay? Not there. All these people
I
are-
think we've had
Your name
No.
is
complete,
on there.
we've bailed on the U.S. Constitution. No one's protecting. He's violating my rights,
By
but
all
no
means.
one's protecting. I just want to establish that.
Okay.
That's what's happening here. We have
That's
no
the-
Constitution in America anymore.
Right.
Because
And you are
I-
traitors,
I'm
both of
violating
you.
My property, and nobody can do anything
both of
about
you,
it, know?
both of you.
So I think we've established that.
So we need your cards, please. We
Yeah,
need
I
your
will.
cards,
I'll give it to you.
okay? And Officer Garcia too.
No, I could listen.
At
This
some
is not the
point-
first time that someone's doesn't like what we do. I get it.
Well,
It's
no,
under.
it's
I
just-
It's not about liking. It's about you are a traitor.
Ma'am, anything I say, you have a comment. Anything I say. you
Oh,
have a
absolutely. I have a problem with traitors.
comment. But she's the one that's going to be.
I have a big problem with traitors.
I think I'm just going to go.
So
to the
tonight, when you go back to your home, to your family, just tell your kids what you've done today, okay? That you stripped hardworking American of her constitutionally secured rights, and you perjured your oath, and you are warring against the people, the Constitution, and the Republic. So when we are completely communist country, congratulations, officers, congratulations, because you are part of the communist takeover.
The European.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. We actually came from the system, and let me tell you, they were brave men. They,
European.
yeah, they.
Maybe Czechoslovakia. That's where
Yeah,
he's now.
but let me finish this. Okay, our founding fathers gave their jobs, their families, and even their life. Okay, so you can wear the uniform today. All right, and no, stop interrupting. I'm saying something to you.
No, like with you guys.
Okay,
Are they all family?
these men died. These men died These men died for the freedom of this country, which you are absolutely violating and committing treason. This is unreal. Well, it's her decision. It's your decision. You've been bamboozled. You've been bamboozled.
Against my record, but I feel violated. I feel very violated.
Completely.
And I'm represented by the Constitution or the law. I pay property taxes. I have no law representation.
Absolutely. This will go down in a record. This will go down on a record that we once again do not have law enforcement. We don't even have code enforcement. This is complete cartel ruling of the communist globalists that are taking over this country. And man, officers, God is watching. God is watching. The ultimate, the all-seeing is watching you right now, okay? You cannot escape the final judgment, officers. Officer Garcia.
I hope not. I don't think so. Actually,
and you either.
Do you want to move the card?
This is
You have
on.
to leave now?
I'm gonna go because I don't think there's
Yeah,
anything more we can
you can move the cards.
do.
He can move the cards if they're in the way.
Sure, yeah.
He'll move them if you want to see.
Just make sure that we get your cards.
I just gotta go get my sweatshirt.
I need your card, please, officer. Okay, all right. This is very sad day. Do you realize it?
We're just doing our job, man.
No, you are not doing your job. This is the problem. This is why I have problem. You guys are not doing job.
Ma'am, I'm gonna help her, okay?
Okay.
You stop following me.
That's why I don't suggest renting.
Well, I know, but you know, but yet they want to provide homes.
I had a feeling it would go this way.
She wasn't. No, I will don't tell you.
But we have them on record now.
Everything.
241 and 242. She has teeth now to go after him without getting arrested.
This is on. But you know what? She needs to be trained more. This would not happen to me. We can then talk, but.
She's new in it too.
It's not.
No, people are learning,
Give you the
you
event
know.
number that we came out here and she saw.
What happened with the guy yesterday?
You're
Why
not
were
you can't go
him and
pick
his
it up,
wife
but
so?
we go to the courthouse and say this is the event number.
I'm still doing live. Maybe I just, you know what, let me